guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed, guys, for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to give massive thank you to those of you guys who have been subscribing to this channel. I appreciate you. I don't take your subscribing or anything for granted. I appreciate you a lot. It means so much. Thank you. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is HP Officejet Pro 9012E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this gear. This printer is using ink cartridges 963. 963 is what it's using. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. I must say, unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have the cable at Vinyl Tech Store. Okay, I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, then show you how to load the ink cartridges. I'm going to start from the back. This is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. This sticker here is for the serial number for this printer, in case you need to contact HP, okay, customer service. This is the serial number. This is the USB cable I got at home. Unfortunately, it's not included in the packaging, and it goes in here. Okay, USB cable is universal. HP can use it, Canon can use it. This flat end goes to the back of your PC for you to connect this printer, download the software, HP Smart App software, and connect this printer. Just above the USB cable, we have 2 spots here. Is for telephone line and broadband line. Bear in mind, you can connect this printer, you can use this printer to fax as well. Okay, this is automatic document feeder, ADF. The essence of it is for you to scan, copy multiple pages of document in one go. So this is ADF. Going to turn this printer around. Now, with this printer, you never run out and save up to 70% on ink. So you get ink plus hassle-free delivery and recycle, all start from 0.9 euro a month. Here, so you need to connect this via HP Instant Ink. You need to register within 7 days to receive this service. It's not free of charge, I'm afraid. There's a cost applicable to it. I think it starts from £1.29 here in UK, but I like to use pay as you go, like I mentioned earlier. So here is the scanner, flat belt scanner. Stick your document ID card you want to copy or scan, and select the function from the LCD screen here. If you want to open up this printer, open it up this way and lift. Once you lift it up, right, and check for any paper jam and debris right here. So you check for any paper jam and debris just right here and close it. Okay, and the ink cartridges holder, this is the ink cartridges holder. Once you open this printer up and get ready to load the ink, it will come right in the middle for us to load the ink. Okay, so right now what we need to do is close it, printer up, and open up the paper tray. Okay, to open up the paper tray, press it down this way and remove the paper. Okay, so this is the paper tray. You can extend the paper to various sizes of paper. Okay, so you can extend the paper to various sizes. You can load various sizes of paper. Okay, this way is can adjust it completely inside. Okay, so this is the paper tray. Okay, so now right now what we need to do is basically, right now it's saying paper jam. So basically we're going to load the paper. Okay, right now, okay, so to install the ink cartridges, just open it up this way. Okay, here we go. So the ink cartridges holder is right here in the middle for us to change it. Okay, and once it's ready, I'm going to show you. It's using ink cartridge 963. Here we go. So you can see the ink is ready. And here is the ink cartridges. 963 ink. So for us to load the ink is what we're going to do right now. To do this, the next thing we need to do is first of all follow the color pattern: blue, red, yellow, and black. Okay, so what we do is first of all we'll go with the blue color. Okay, so we go in. So the blue color, okay, make sure the blue is outside facing you. Just need to go inside. Okay, you need to push it inside. Push inside, it's in. And if you want to remove it, you need to go push it inside again and remove it. Push and remove. Okay, so right now to go in, just need to push, go into blue, push inside. You can see the blue color is in. The next on the list is red. Okay, this is red color. Go inside. It's in. Okay, so the red and blue are inside. If you want to remove red, push inside and they will come out. Okay, so the red color is in. So what we're going to do right now, putting red color is inside. Now the next on the list is yellow. So make sure you can see that yellow color outside facing you. Okay, then you need to go in to yellow. Push inside. Okay, 3 of those are right now inside. If you want to remove yellow, press it, push inside, and it will come out. Okay, now go back in, push inside. You can see 3 of them are inside. Now the last but not the least is black. Okay, now what we need to do is go inside, push inside. Okay, so and you can see everything is ready. So if you want to remove black, push inside and the black will come out. Okay, so just go in, push, it's in. Now what we need to do is gently close this printer. Okay, close it, close. And right now it's checking the printer. Please wait, is what it's telling us. So it's checking the printer. Genuine Ink HP installed. You can see from the screen it's telling us right now Genuine Ink HP installed. So I'm going to basically, you can see what it's doing right now is open it up. So this is how to install the ink. Okay, so okay, we just need to wait for this to be ready. Okay, so this is how to load the ink. Now I'm going to show you on my next video how to load the paper tray and also for us to complete the alignment head. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. Thank you and stay blessed.